Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you, all my viewers. Let us see how the 2022 will be according to numerology. As you know, I have written a book on numerology also. So, first, what is 2022? We all are so excited about this coming year because 2021, whose number is 5, had many challenges and we had to go through many instability, shifts, etc. But now 2022 is number 6, which is governed by the planet Venus. And as we know, Venus stands for love, sympathy, enthusiasm, energy, beauty, attraction, and creativity. So nice things. So we all are excited. And I know this year is going to be a very soothing year for all of us. Now, first, let us see what is 2022. As we say, it is 6. So, according to that, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now, 1 stands for, as you know, is an initiative or the beginning. So, definitely during this period, many people can start their own business, something new can enter their life, new opportunities, new love, even new home. There are many chances, and that's going to be a really very, very inspirational. Now, number 2 is for cooperation. Definitely, you're going to work as a team. You will have the cooperation from your family, from your colleagues, from your friends, from your well-wishers. And last, number 3 is for creativity. Just imagine initiative, cooperation, and creativity. You know, when these 3 things are together, it's going to make a miracle. Now, what do you mean by creativity? I think that creativity is the creation, especially the painters, musicians, artists, singers, even writers. All of them, even the sportsmen, they will have a very good year. This is initially the year of creativity. They will make some good achievements during this period. Even the scientists, researchers will make research which will be useful for humanity. As we know, number 2 is for the cooperation, and definitely we cooperate our work with humanity. So this is the best achievement for the scientists and researchers also. Even the influencer, counselor will work very hard and they will be very satisfied with their work. Love for beauty, that is the very important characteristic of Venus. First, let us see love. That is, people will, I think that there are many chances, many people who are single will get married, but there is also a chance of extramarital affairs, so take care of this. This may lead to divorce also, so even Venus is good, but then this is a little negative aspect of it. If we say about the beauty, definitely beauticians, spa centers, salon, all this business will flourish because the people will be more and more aware of their beauty, that make over, they would like to look something better. Many people may go for cosmetic surgery also. And as this is a time for attraction, as we know, this is the best time for marriage, for attraction. In married life, the couple will have a very strong bonding. The bond which they share will be more stronger than the last year. So it's going to be a beautiful, you can say, as a family, a beautiful period. Those who are not married, they will get married. So the love will be during whole 2022. So I even say that this is a love wind. The Venus is nothing but the love wind. Now, next we say that beauty, but of course, beauty also means the people want luxurious items. They want their home to be beautiful. So, more and more boost in the sale of the luxurious items, like car, AC, even the jewelry, rich clothes. So, all these business will flourish. So, when we see overall, there will be a boost in every sector. Not only that, the people will travel more because Venus is also for the traveling. So the people will travel more. So traveling business, hoteliers, and all subordinate business which is related to travel will definitely boost. When we say that there will be initiative, to change, there are many chances of real estate also to go up. The people would like to go for a better house, go for a new home. So definitely there'll be boost in real estate. They will purchase and they will sell the home. So even the real estate will have a very good business during 2022. Once you shift to new house, you definitely want more luxurious items. Same things are there, that even the sell and purchase of luxurious items will increase. But when we say that everywhere there'll be a boost, we will be aware that there'll be a very hike in prices. We will experience inflation during 2022 because income will increase, but at the same moment, the expenditure, the demand will also increase, and therefore there will be definitely rise in prices. So here I feel that my viewers, please take care of your income and expenditure. Balance your income expenditure. Try to save a little from your income, because 2022 is such a year that it will manifest you to buy more and more things. There you have to control yourself, definitely. I feel a very beautiful thing about planet Venus is that it is also known as mother love. Apart from sexual love, the mother love in a sense that a mother and child bond will be very, very strong. Those who have lost their mother, then also they will have the blessings from their mother. So this is the actually year of mother love, and I know that mother love is the purest form of love. So even you have a purest form of love which will give you harmony and peace. Now, as a tarot card reader, when we see for the tarot card, we know that tarot card, the card of Empress is governed by Venus, and as we know, the card of Empress represents motherly love, fertility, good luck, success. Time for investment. So many childbirths also we may have. Population increases definitely. Now, next thing is that Taurus and Libra are governed by Venus, planet Venus, that is Earth and air sign. Venus is also a little bit aggressive. Anger will be there because the people will be more happy, but then their aggressiveness will be that I want to do it, I want to achieve it. Same way, when earth and air sign is operating, we may find very many changes in the crust of earth, that is earthquake, cyclone, storms, tsunami, etc. This may increase the death toll. We have to be careful about airborne disease, because as we know that even air sign is there, we have to take care of our health, especially with airborne disease. this may be very, very infectious. So take care of your health. Otherwise, this is the best period for prosperity, for starting some new things, which is going to heal our wounds which we have received during 2021. So, all the best, viewers, and wish you again a happy new year. Thank you. Have a good day.